Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful brand new 2018 Ford F-150 Platinum. Now the exterior color is a magnetic gray, and under the hood we have a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine paired to a 10-speed automatic select-shift transmission. Now this Platinum comes loaded with tons of great features, including 4-wheel drive capabilities, blind spot information system, engine block heater, and many great other features. And at the front we have our LED high and low beam headlamps, as well as LED daytime running lights and a pair of fog lamps. We have 2 tow hooks, and over at the side we have our 20-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in our hand-cut tires, as well as our Ford OEM retractable running boards, the chrome mirror caps and chrome door handle caps. And in the rear windows we have the privacy tinted, and up top we have our dual panel moonroof. At the rear, we have our trailer and tow package, which includes our 4 and 7 pin connection, as well as our trailer hitch. We have our spare 5th wheel to the right, and under the rear bumper, we have our reverse sensors paired with our backup camera. We have our LED taillights and our F-150 Platinum and Ford badging. And inside the tailgate, we have our tailgate step, and in the box, we have our LED lighting with our cargo management system. And at the rear window, we have an embedded defroster with the power slide feature. At the interior, we have tons of door storage for the driver, as well as ambient lighting, power locks with memory seating for the driver, as well as power windows and power adjustable and foldable mirrors. As we get into the interior, we have our automatic headlamp dial with our LED lighting on our mirrors, and our pull and parking brake with our foot pedal adjustment. And at our leather interior with the Platinum badging, the driver and passenger can enjoy a fully adjustable seat with lumbar support. And at our fully telescopic steering wheel, we have our information system cluster, as well as our cruise control settings. And to the right, we have our entertainment and media control trackpad with our hands-free. As we look up, we have our auto-dimming review mirror with our cabin lights, and our 3 garage door openers, and the beautiful moonroof. At our head unit display, we have our Sync 3 8-inch touchscreen display, which comes with a heated heated steering wheel for the driver, as well as air conditioning and heated seats for both driver and passenger. To the left, we have our 4-wheel drive engagement, and underneath we have our trailer braking system with our trailer backup assist. And to the right, we have our 12-volt adapter and our AC outlet. And as we look at our center console, we have our dual smart charging USB ports in the cubby hold up front. And at this console shift, we have our manual select shift 10-speed mode. And to the right, we have our 2 cup holders with ambient lighting underneath. And at our center console, there's 2 more cup holders in the rear. Tons of comfort on top, lots of storage underneath. And as we get over to the dual climate control area, you'll notice we have our air conditioning and heating throughout the cabin. At the rear of the Platinum, we didn't forget about the passengers. They have tons of door storage, as well as ambient lighting with power windows. And they have more storage in the rear of the driver's seat, as well as the passenger seat. And at the rear of the center console, they can enjoy a 12-volt adapter with 2 heated seats on the left and right side, and a dual USB ports and AC outlet. And as we look at our 60/40 bench seating arrangement, there's tons of legroom, as well as lots of headspace to fit 3 passengers comfortably, and there's nobody in the middle. We can fold down our centerpiece for 2 more cup holders and arm support. If there are any more questions about this beautiful truck, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would also like to take the time here to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.